everyone, Nancy at the Our Treasure Home, and it's just one of those days. They're going out having a good time, and I'm here doing things I want to do. So, Sunday's Live, we did a cooking, helping Des on her Instapot, and I cooked with my Ninja, and I had some chicken left over. So, and then I have soup left over. Soup is for tonight. But I want to show you what I'm going to do with the chicken. So, yeah, this could be a couple meals for me. So I am just going to show what I'm doing. Got a tortilla shell. I'm just going to lay some out. You can shred it more. You can keep it whole. So we shred like this. I need to get one more thing. I'll do one more piece. That should be enough right there. Wash my hands. Now I don't have any of the shredded. I'm take some cabbage because I don't have any lettuce. Lettuce kind of just goes bad too fast for us. We don't need a lot. So I'm just take a little bit of lettuce, cabbage. I'll just shred it with my fingers. We want to add some cheese. And then we're going to pop it in the microwave for a minute. Want to heat the chicken back up and melt the cheese. So here's my chicken. I use the Gail'sSouthernLiving cheese that we like and some cabbage. Now I have bowl out. I was gonna do something like I don't know, make a salad or something, but I didn't want to do a salad, so I'll put my bowl away. I'm gonna show you what this. Hear the popping? Sounding good. So it's just like, sure, different things you can do with your chicken. If you don't want to use a tortilla wrap, you can use an egg life wrap. If you're keto, you can just heat it up. Just put on a bed of cabbage. How about that? You can use your cabbage leaves. Put your chicken there. Put some cheese and then roll it up, and there you go. All kinds of fun ways you can do with chicken. This is nice and hot, but my cheese is melted. Don't that look good? And this time you can add, if you want to put like salt, pepper, some garlic on it, whatever. I am just gonna roll this up. And there you go. A nice, quick and easy lunch. I'm all for quick and easy. So this is my lunch for today. You could put, you could put $1,000 on it, ranch, if you have that. Got honey mustard, put that on there. You can just put some mustard on there. Take some mayo and mix it with mustard, put it on there. That sounds all so good. Just leave it just like it is. So that is what we're doing today for lunch. That's what I'm doing for lunch. They're all having a good time. So there you go. If you haven't seen the Sunday's Live, go back and check it out. We had a great time. Be watching. Des and I might be doing some cooking. You just never know. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.